Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to schedule a Zoom meeting all by yourself. As you know, this channel is dedicated to doing it yourself. So let us go. So first things first, launch the Zoom app. As you can see on my screen, the app is already launched on my PC. And the next step to take is to click on schedule. So by default, it picks my name and writes Zoom meeting. You can either leave it like this but I'd rather you use a more descriptive name. So something like test meeting, all right? If you're having a meeting for your club or any event, you can put the topic in here. So select the date. If the date is on a Tuesday 22nd, you take the time, just select the time of your choice, and it's always good to include the duration of the meeting to enable your invitees have an idea of how long that meeting will take. So let us just say, okay, I'm using the free plan for this demo, and that is why it's giving me 40 minutes time limit. So either way, so let's leave it at 0 hours and 30 minutes. If you want this meeting to keep recurring, you select this. But I don't want to set a recurring meeting. So you have two options. You always have a personal ID. Would you want your users to use your personal ID, or you want a specific ID to be generated for this meeting? For meetings like this, it's a personal preference anyway. I would rather you use this generate automatic option. Next is the security. The automatic setting for this meeting already is that users should sign in using a passcode for security purposes. And next, you have a waiting room. Now it says that only users admitted by the host can join the meeting. I love this feature so much, and the reason is simple. This is to avoid Zoom bombing. You know, let's say you're having an event and for some reason the invite has gotten to a lot of persons out there. You don't want everybody to just come bombing into your meetings. You would like people you have specifically sent invites to join your Zoom meeting. So enable this waiting room. It's very good. Then this option here, this is all optional. Only authenticated users can join. Now, if you check this box, it means that users must sign into the Zoom app. This feature is very important if you're having a meeting. Let's say you want to have a lecture and you want students of your school, of only your school, students who have their email addresses at yourschooldomainname.com to sign in to this meeting, or you want specific users who are signed into their organization's domain to join this meeting. Another option you have here, it's for the host to have their camera on or off by default. Of course, at any time you can turn on or off your camera. Now, do you want the video of the participants to come on immediately they join the Zoom session? You may, if you want that, choose the on option. If you do not want that, select the off option. Computer audio, select it. And calendar, if you want this meeting invite to be synchronized to your calendar, you can choose any of these calendar options you currently make use of. You can either choose to save or you include some other advanced options. Let us see what the options are. Allow participants to join anytime. If you select this, then participants can join your meeting at any time. Even if the meeting had started, they can join. Do you want participants to be muted upon entry? Yes. If you want this, I usually advise this. Do you want this meeting to be automatically recorded on your local computer? If you select this option, it means that your Zoom meeting automatically would start recording and it will be saved on your local computer. Do you want to approve or block entry for users from specific countries? If you want this option, feel free to go check it and put the regions or the countries. You can either choose to allow users from the countries you list here, or you choose to block users from the countries you list here. So the choice is yours. Once you're done, save that meeting. After saving the meeting, head over to meetings. You would see test meeting. The test meeting we created. Next to do is to copy the invitation and share that link with your audience. The link looks like this. I have just pasted the link in a notepad file, and here is what the invitation looks like. So you can do well to send this via WhatsApp, text message, or email. I hope this has been informative for you. Do well to leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Cheers.